Now, one of the other reasons that people typically want to try out Salesforce is because of how many integrations you truly can have in a Salesforce ecosystem. So I want to show you today just the two basic ones, Outlook and Gmail. Everyone wants to understand, hey, can we track all the emails that we send inside of our system, inside of our ATS, inside of Salesforce? Absolutely you can, and it's incredibly simple. Let me show you. So what we're going to do today is we're going to visit the Setup tab inside of Salesforce. Now, the setup in the back end really controls your entire Salesforce environment. It kind of shows at a global level what will truly happen when users take certain actions. And today, what we want to give them the ability to do is to set up an integration. So we'll just type in integration, and you can see right here under email, we have Gmail integration and Outlook integration. Now, normally at this point, everyone's like, oh, there's going to be so much to get this set up. Well, actually, when you click into Gmail integration, there's a single checkbox. Do you want to let users access Salesforce records from Gmail? Absolutely. Now, outside of that, do you want to track those so you can keep Gmail and Salesforce connected? Do you want to have the inbox synced through the inbox tool inside Salesforce? Who can use it? Do only a certain amount of people can use it? We can get that granular if we want to, but at a main level of integration, it's as simple as a checkbox. And then it's down to your users to just sign into their Gmail. Now, the Outlook one, same thing. You can just click a single checkbox. And it doesn't stop there. You can see on the left-hand side all these different things that we can start integrating to, including Teams and a bunch of other external services and things like that. And if it's not available for you, Salesforce has a tremendous app exchange that allows out-of-the-box integrations through that, just like the iOS and the iPhone that you're used to, that app store. Same sort of thing exists inside Salesforce.